Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to clear or remove RAM cache in Windows 10 PC. Before proceeding with the steps, to know how much RAM is in cache memory, to find out, just right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here Task Manager option. In the Task Manager, switch to this one Performance tab and then select this one Memory option. At the bottom, you can see cached memory on your Windows 11 PC. For my PC, it is approx 1 GB RAM cache memory. To clear this one, you need to open any browser and then search for RAM map. Just search this one option. I will also put this one RAM map direct link in this video description, so in case you need it you can refer to that link. After searching for RAM map, you will find Microsoft link. Just click on this one link, RAM map of Microsoft. Here you will find download RAM map, which is only 671 KB in the size. Just click on this one link to download it on your Windows 10 PC. After that, right click on this one downloaded zip file and select extract all option. Then click on this one extract button. Now, according to your operating system, you can run this one for 32-bit operating system, and this is for 64-bit operating system. My operating system is 64-bit, so I will run this one application. So just select this application and then right click on it and choose here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Now click on this one agree button to launch the application, and after that click on this one empty in menu, and in the drop down select this one empty standby list. This will clear RAM cache, and you can see all the RAM cache has been cleared and it is around 100 MB only in size. This will improve your PC performance. So in case you are getting very slow, your PC performance is very slow, you should regularly clean up RAM cache on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.